I'm Christine from the Malibu Chamber of Commerce. We're here today to check out Malibu Fitness. Let's go work out. We're here with Lonnie Weinstock-Galate, the owner of Malibu Fitness. Lonnie, how long have you owned the gym?
Well, I started it in 1986. I was the founder, and it's been 25 years. We just had our anniversary. We were voted the #1 fitness studio for our instruction and our classes in Los Angeles. So we have yoga, we have spinning, we have Pilates, we have different kinds of dance classes, jazz, Afro salsa, hip hop, funk. We have stretch classes, anything within the fitness realm, and our teachers are amazing. We have TRX suspension training, the only studio in Southern California with an outdoor TRX training.
What is TRX?
You're working your legs, front and back, your butt, and your biceps. All the while, you're working your core. Pull all the way up.
I laugh, I can't do it.
One more time. Down, up. And bicep curl. Bring your hips up and bring your knees in. Good. See how hard that is?
That's a lot harder than it looks.
I know. Excellent. Set your knees down.
That's so fun.